Okay, I've already started trading. Um, okay, uh, this is the first signal. Actually, I've done a session, okay, but the recording did not save. So that's why I'm redoing it. So I'm going to only record two options, okay? Uh, this is the first trading session. Okay, that's the first signal. So we are looking at just doing two. So I'm going to wait for another one. But the stuff I'm using right now, I don't know how I'm to pause. Okay, uh, I can only see stop button. So I don't know how to pause. So you have to bear with me. But meanwhile, while I'm waiting for a signal to show up, let me quickly explain something to you about the signal setup. Okay, now this signal setup here is the one I call PB flush. Okay, PB flush. Now, this PB flush, you can see it has done probably, let me do like 50 so that you see the win rate. The win rate ratio is high. Okay, it's what the robot has been trading now, and it's been steadily in profit. In fact, we've been able to recover some of the losses, and we are now running in profits. Now, I'm not in a hurry in exposing and sharing or distributing or publicizing this. I just want to show you that with two trades or three trades per day, you can make something. Okay, while I'm waiting for signal. That's why I'm trying to show you. Okay, probably I should show you the ones I've done. Okay, these are withdrawals. Okay, no, these are withdrawals. Okay, signal is showing up. Just a minute, please. I don't want to miss the entry. A signal is about coming up, so let's wait for the signal. Once it's 40 seconds, I don't expect it to go through anymore. If it doesn't come through before 40 seconds, we leave it alone. Okay, so this one is not going to work. Okay, now you see, so that you get to understand that I've actually done this before now. Okay, I did three trades in the recording that I had before, but it did not record. It did not save. My system on. Okay, my system on. That was what happened. My system frozen, and all those things that was done was lost. So there's possibility I could make a trade now. Okay, I've made my entry. You can see entry ongoing, right? So when you're doing this trade, I've already done like today is now 7 because I'm doing extra. Okay, because of the recording that failed. That's why. Now, also, I've also shared to let you understand: is it possible? Is it doable? How um, how good, how stable your withdrawal can be? Can you be making money with this? Yes, I'm actually trading with profit. This money here is profit. I'm to withdraw it. So I'm only trading with profit so that I can make more profit. So I need you to understand, is it doable? Is it possible? Now, this is goes outside. It lapses for 2 minutes, but usually we get to win our trade the first 1 minute, 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, 1 minute, 20 or 30 seconds. You get to win. Okay, you can see it says trade has been won. And you can see here as well, it has been won. So I've just done two trades. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this is the signal. You can see the signal. The signal also was won. And you can see this one as well was won. So now, uh, in fact, let's see if I can do one more trade just to show you. Okay, I still have I've only spent like 5 minutes. Okay, I've only spent like 5 minutes and I've done two trades. Okay, you are done for the day. Close. I would recommend you do two, you close. Okay, once you do two, you close. No need to do three, four, just do two trades and you close. That's all you need. That's all you need. You do two trades and you close. So right now, uh, let me just explain the plan. So let's say we two trades, okay? We two trades. Let's say I have a capital stake of $10, okay? Now this stake, I actually have like three times of it. That's I have $30. Are you getting it? $30 is what I have. Let's say I have $30 and I'm about to do let's say two trades, right? Two trades is $13, 13%. So 13% daily. This is for everyday basis, okay? We're not looking at a year. We just want to look at a month. What return will you get in a month? What re- what return will you get in a month? I'm coming. So let's say in a month, you see the return you're gonna get. You're gonna get 395% return. Okay, 395% in return. So it means with $10, I can get to make almost $40. Four times, okay? Four times my money. That is if I'm trading every day. Okay, but we're not going to be trading every day. You're going to be trading maybe 5 days a week, whatever. So even if you're trading 5 days a week, guess what? You're going to make at least roughly three times. Okay, three times your money. You may be wondering, oh, is that possible? Is that even whatever? What about losses? I just showed you. If you stick to two trades, 2 to 3 trades, you will be fine. Okay, let's see. One signal can come up if it start going down right now. A signal can come up. If it start going down, a signal can come up, and then I can be done. I don't want to miss the signal. Okay, that's why I stopped talking. Because the more I talk, the more it will just pass, and I will not know it has passed. Okay, this is not going to work. Okay, it's not going to work. So this is how fast it is. Is it possible? Okay, look at this yourself. I'm refreshing so you see it. Okay, it's not drafted or made. Nah, so it be. It's authentic. So uh, let's do withdrawals, right? You can see the withdrawals for this month alone, April. You can see every day. Okay, you make it stable every day. Every two days, $10. Every two days, $10. That's all. Every two days, you make $10. It's possible. These are withdrawals. Okay, these are withdrawals. You can cash. I use payment agent. Okay, I use payment agent. I don't like okay, see how I use payment agent. I cannot do this here now. So I use this payment agent. I'll show you who I also recommend for you to use if you're based in Nigeria. Okay, I will recommend you using Bakare Pay. Okay, use Bakare Pay for your deposit and your withdrawal. It will be a lot easier. Okay, you can withdraw anytime during the day, night, morning, weekends, it does not matter. Anytime you want, you can withdraw. So all I need to do is just click here, okay? Even if you want to deposit, just come here and search for Bakari, okay? See, you search for Bakari, okay? Once you search for Bakari, you can see him here. You can see his phone number. You can see his WhatsApp link. You click, you can see his website. You click, you find out uh, his rate. Okay. I want to withdraw. I'll just click here. They send me a link. Once they send me a link, okay, I'll click on the link. I don't know how I can pause here. Okay, this video I cannot pause. So I just wanted to make like a 10 minute video setup. Okay. So I don't know how I can pause and show you, but I still want to also see if I can do one more trade. Okay, my video is just 10 minutes right now. Okay,